Good day everybody, welcome back to our channel Tech Aircraft. By today I will inform what the progress about my project J3 kitten Ultralight. By today I am build a table jig for welding the tubing. Here is still drawing follow the plan. On the table will have a width around 50 centimeter and long with around 4 meter. By today I'm still checking about dimension because I referred by another dimension. Here is have a different with original design, but the reference design is very good, because have a tolerance around 1 until 2 centimeter. So don't afraid when use this reference. Thanks for my friend. Here is Alejandro Buela from Argentina. Thanks for your reference design. Here is a correct design, but a little bit different with original design, but no worry, it can use, but very good because have a tolerance about 1 until 2 centimeter. I'm completed for checking. I think tomorrow are ready for welding, but before the welding I will build a block for handle the tube, avoid move anywhere, because on the original design give instruction. Hold on, wait, let me check. Supposed to be on the end of page. Wait, a little bit with one hand. Let me check. Nothing. Where is? Oh, I got it. Here is the table recommendation for building the Ultralight J3 kitten. We must have a jig block with wood type. Will be like this. Tomorrow I will cut by grinding. Use a small block. I think I need 5 meter, because the total of block around 100 block. You can cut by 5 centimeter or 7. I'm happy during this project. A little bit slowly, because I'm preparing the another part, like welding a gas tank and some of part for working on welding. For the table will be used like a stand. I need a stand because will make easy for welding. Here is my wood plating on the floor, but tomorrow we'll be plating on a stand. Yeah, the stand is still in progress. I will checking again without the. I have a gap for wood because my wood is just 2 meter. I need 4 meter. There is. And here is my tubing, stainless steel. Yeah. On previously, I am following this document by my friend, right? I'll make focus. Yeah. Alright, friend by Alejandro Buila. The total of like around 20 kilometers. Yeah. A reference in this document around 20 kilo only for full lead, but I'm cross check again with a real blind because reference by Alejandro have a tolerance 1 until 2 centimeter. I think will be less than 20 kilo lah. Okay. It is my tubing using stainless steel. I'm not using a chromoly because I'm interested with some of my friends in Argentina using a stainless steel. I think it's better lah because on my local area doesn't have a chromoly 1030. I'm already make compare with a chromoly and a stainless steel. It is have a closest the characteristic. Yeah. Hopefully my project can fire. And my engine is still on progress. I am using a 2-stroke engine. One single 2-stroke engine. Yeah. My power, I'm still research. I hope my engine around 50 horsepower. Okay, thank you. Yeah, see you on the next video. I will update in the next. Bye.